Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Donna Sullivan from Awaken Your Bliss. I am a Theta Healing Practitioner, a Reiki practitioner, a body talk technician, and I'm also a personal development coach and a spiritual coach. So once again, thanks for joining me. So today I've recently told a short story about my first healing as a theatre healer, like my very first day in a theatre healing course. And a brand new practitioner was working on me and the healing that I've had. So now I'm going to do an incident that happened with this girl that healed me. Again, we're both on our very first day. So the story I'm about to tell you was the one that happened in the first half an hour of the course. So in this case, I was the practitioner and she was my client. So what began, the first thing the coach had sort of instructed us to do was to bring some white light down through the crown chakra and fill the body. And intuitively, we had to know whether the body was filled with the white light. Now, the white light is the healing light. As many of you will know, the white light is the unconditional love. It's the healing light from the creator. So if your body won't take on the white light, the theory is that you will not take on the healing. So I brought the white light down. I think her name is Jenny. So I brought the white light down through Jenny's crown chakra and into her body. And what I intuitively, I'm quite intuitive. So intuitively, I could see it like sand, and it was dripping out of her elbows, and it wasn't going down past her hips. And all this like unconditional love, white light, looked to me from an intuitive perspective. This is in my mind's eye. It looked like there was sand dripping out from her elbows. So I kept trying and trying and trying. And then eventually I said, I'm changing some commands and I'm getting you to receive the unconditional love from the creator, but I just can't get it down into your legs. Is there anything about your legs I should know? And she proceeded to say that, oh, I've got spinal bifida. I've always hated my legs. So we couldn't tell that she had spinal bifida. She was walking. She was never meant to walk. So Western medicine advised her. So she did walk. You couldn't tell that she had spinal bifida. But what had remained is that she'd always hated her legs. So we changed all those beliefs. And by doing that, I was then able to send the white light down through her whole body. So from that point on, she was then now receiving any commands from the creator in line with healing, whatever was going on that day. I can't quite recall what we were working on that day with her, but I just wanted to share that story about if we don't love ourselves and we can't take on the creator's light, or we don't believe that the creator exists or that the creator can heal, we're not going to heal. So this is just a really, really short video just to share that with you. So I hope you find that interesting because on my first day with that first experience and knowing I was quite intuitive but not as gifted intuitively as what I recognize now, a lot of it was about learning to trust myself and trust the information that I received. And now when I receive information from the creator of all that is, I'm really comfortable to trust it fully. So I hope you enjoyed that short story. Thanks for joining me. Once again, my name is Donna from Awaken Your Bliss. We'll have some courses coming up in February. I'm just working out the locations now for those of you on the coast or in Sydney that would like to join. And I will be doing some online courses from March. So stay tuned for those. You will be able to find those on my website. My website is www.blissfulsoul.au. Or if you'd like to contact me, it's donna@blissfulsoul.au. And if you're interested in those courses and you want to email me now, do so because I'll reach out to you as soon as those dates become available and see whether that suits you. If not, I can keep you on the list for further events. So yeah, very grateful for you to join me. Look forward to meeting you again in my next video. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day and wishing you all well and lots of love from me. Thanks for joining me and bye for now.